Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and today I'm here to share something that I was inspired to make. I was crafting with my girlfriend Nana and we were watching people making embellishments, um, little ticket embellishments. Um, there was some, I think it was this woman that made some rosettes with these little oriental girls, and I'm like, I think I have that die. So I busted out the die and made a couple of these, I think 6 of them actually, and it got me playing. Okay, then one of her videos, I think her name is Carol, and her channel, let me see here, is Coffee and Crafts with Carol G. And I'll have her link down below so you can go check her out. And she did a ticket booth make, and it inspired me to make my own. I don't know, I think she used a die, but I took her concept where there's a ticket, a regular size ticket on the top, and then this ticket is like a really big one. And she had decorated it up and embellished it, and it was for a ticket, an altar ticket swap. And I thought this was such an awesome idea, Carol. I don't even know if she follows me, but I follow her now because my friend Nada told me about her. And I just love how these turned out. So let me explain what I did. So I have these tickets, and I think you can get them at um, you can get these at Dollar Tree in their party section, or you could get these at Five Below. So you can find, or even Walmart has these tickets. So I took mine, I tore it, I folded it in half, and I made this into a little pocket on the top here. So all I did was glue the ends here, um, and then I used my hole punch and I made a hole, okay, to make my pocket, okay. Then I took a piece of paper, and I think it's 2.5, I think this is four, so it's 5.25, and I scored it at no, yeah, 1.25, because this is 1 inch, and then this is 4 inches, okay. So I scored it, inked it up, and then I used my hole punch, and I made a hole here on the ends, on the other side, and on the ends here. And I thought this turned out so cute. And then I took another ticket that I had altered, and I made a little pocket for my tag. I guess this could be a tag. This could be, a journaling spot in a journal. It could be a tip-in. Oh my gosh. I mean, you could do so much. Or you could put this in a corner tuck, Oh my gosh. I mean, isn't this just cute? And then I just covered and alter it with some papers that I had in my stash. I put a little pearl bling here. I used a Tim Holtz paper doll, and I inked it all up, and I just love it. Love, love, love it. And then I stamped a little bit with my speckled stamp. And yeah, I think these are so adorable. And then here's another one that I did. This is just digital paper that I had, laying around that I had printed up. This is the stamp that I stamped up earlier last week. Here's a Tim Holtz doll. I didn't do too much altering up here, but I still made a pocket for my little ticket. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. I could make several of these, but these were so easy to make and they were so much fun. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I'll have Carol's channel down below so you can go check her out. I think I yeah, I think she's still doing videos. There was another woman that we were watching that kind of stopped doing videos, and I was so sad. Which I understand, things happen. But she does a lot of embellishments, a lot of cool ideas, so I'll have her link down below. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.